For the workshop, I would want to start off with the ISTE standards. And I would start with these because I want the teachers to know that technology is important and it is a requirement. It's not just a suggestion, but it really is a way to really reach students and really influence your classroom. So I'd want to start off with that so the teachers know that it isn't just a suggestion, but something that they should be doing. Then I would start with digital literacy. I'd love them to take a quiz on their own digital literacy to kind of see where they are at and see if they're able to help students with the skills they have. After that, I would discuss the 4 areas and we would talk about those, and then I'd have some break-off sessions for each area they'd want to improve on most. So let's say one of the teachers is kind of lacking in the tools area. So they might go to the break-off session about tools and learn about a couple tools, or maybe they're struggling more on the social side of things. So they could go to a breakout session about social skills. Next, I would do the 21st century skills, and we talk about the 4 C's, and I would give the teachers a topic and then have them use the 4 C's to create a lesson. So that would be creativity, communication, collaboration, and critical thinking. And I'd have to challenge the teachers to try this. And then for the last thing, I would have them wrap it all up, and I'd have the teachers brainstorm some few ways they could use more 21st century skills and digital literacy in their classrooms so they can take something away from the workshop.